right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning, and boy, I'll tell you what, it kind of turned off cold today outside. I think it's just dark and gloomy and a little bit windy, and I think it's only in the low to mid 40s outside. But I got her 65 degrees in here, almost 66, 41% humidity. And guys, it's going on about 20 till 11. But got some updates and stuff here to show you guys. All right, you guys know I've been working on this 41 Willys pickup, and haven't been doing anything with it for a few weeks. Holidays kind of kicked in. I was sick there for a while, and but I need to get some clear on this, but I don't want to clear it until I get everything set up. I just finally this morning got the chassis kind of put together. That rear end is kind of odd. It just floats. It doesn't, the axle housing doesn't actually attach to anything. It's these rear bars and the leaf springs that actually locate it, and then the shocks go on. They attach down in here and then back up to these bars. But I think I finally got that. I got that all put together and looking pretty good, so I think I'm good there. But I want to do some more checking, put the body and the bed on, and make sure those tires and everything are in the right locations and everything. And there's the that's the blown big block Chevy from the Iceman that's going to go in there. Boy, that thing looks cool sitting in there. I'm telling you guys what, it looks cool sitting in there. And then yeah, there's that poor old 41 Willys coupe gasser. That's the one I dropped, guys. Remember that? I need to get the clear on it. It's been painted, but I need to get the clear on it and get the decals on it, and basically just put it back together. But just haven't haven't got around to it. So let me show you guys something else here, a new addition to the shop. Check that out, boys. The big guy in red come down the chimney with a brand new 3D printer for me. I've got something printing right now, and actually it is a blown big block Chevy. You can see right there. That's what I named the file, and it's 30% done, and it's still got an hour 53 minutes to go. But that is a complete engine with a bunch of extra parts I added. And let's go back over here. I'm going to show you what I've been doing. Court, let me go back here first. You know, when I got this printer, and I'm sure there's some of you guys that's probably got some 3D printers for Christmas too. So this is the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. And when I got it in, first thing I did was do the firmware update. And within that update, it gives you a feature where you can manually adjust the build plate. Now, this is supposed to be auto leveling, which I did all that, and then I did the manual leveling, and then I printed out my cones of calibration and checked all those and set my software to the optimum setting, and got it working pretty good. And then did a printout of that big block Chevy. There was the first printout I did, and I had some fails. Some of the parts failed, so I had to go back into the software and tweak it. And then I did another printout. Just did this yesterday. Let's take a look here. That's the printout I did yesterday. Everything's looking pretty good. I was having trouble with the blower belt there, so I've made some adjustments for that. But the block and the transmission, everything looking good. Everything's looking good so far. Now, none of this has been cured yet, guys. It's still a little kind of soft to the touch. Not soft, but you know, kind of sticky. My wash and cure station that the big guy in red also brought me, it's not due to ship until January 10th, so I'm gonna have to wait on that. I've been doing everything. I've been washing everything. Once everything printed out, I wash everything in 91% alcohol, and that cleans the resin off of it. But this one is dry. I set it out in the sun, and that sun, the UV rays, that cures that out pretty good. And I like to do this one, but I just don't have any sun. It's just a gloomy day. There's the resin I've been using. That's the Elegoo ABS Light 2.0 photopolymer resin. That works pretty good. That's the big old 2K bottle. This is about I must say it's about 70 ounces, just a little bit bigger than a 2-liter bottle of Coke. So that's what I've been using. That'll print a lot of stuff. But man, I'm tell you what, I'm really excited about this. Once I get this all tweaked out and get everything going, I'm gonna end up printing me out some bodies things and see where this new venture takes me. But waiting for this new printout. It's a couple hours ago, and we'll see if the adjustments I made done any good. But everything is looking good, except for, like I said, that blower belt. So we'll see. We'll see how she comes out, guys. But man, I tell you what. Happy New Year's to everybody. It's New Year's Day. And I'm trying to get some things done out here, but slow going. I'll tell you what, that 57 Ford sedan gasser that I built, there's been a lot of nice comments and everything on that one there, and I tell you guys what, I sure do appreciate it. That was a fun one, but it took forever for those decals to get in here. So, all right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap this up. Just want to give a little update, let everybody know where I'm at and what's going on, and I'll tell you what, I'm really excited about that 3D printer. So, I'll be doing another video to let y'all know how my third printout went, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I'm done.